today I have decided to make a video of 10 things about me. It's because I just reached 500 subscribers. And I think it's the best time to get to know me a little bit. Yeah, I am very happy with the 500 subscribers I got, because when I first entered YouTube, I really didn't know how YouTube works. I was just curious about it. I didn't even expect that people are actually gonna subscribe to my channel. So, you know, I'm just happy. So now let's start with the 10 things about me. First, my real name is Carmer. That is C-A-R-M-E-R, and me and my sister got the same name. And I think in the whole Philippines, it's just me and my sister got that name. It's actually a combination of my parents' name. Car means Carlos and Mer means Mary, so that makes it Carmer. And number 2, I was born and raised in Cebu, Philippines, so that makes me a Cebuana. I'm proud of it. And number 3, I speak Bisaya because I came from Cebu. I can also speak Tagalog, but I'm not that confident at all. I think it's just hard. But of course, if needed to be, then I do it. And I also speak English. Yeah, it's not perfect, but if you understand me and I understand you, I think we're good. And I can also speak Danish. Not fluent, but you know, somehow I can communicate with the people around me in here. And number 4, I live in Denmark. Yes, for 5 years now. And number 5, I live here in Denmark because I am married to a Danish man. Yes. And number 6, I will be 30 years old next month. And I'm excited about it. Number 7, I work as a sales advisor in a clothing company here in Denmark. Actually, it is a Swedish brand, but it's international, so they also got here in Denmark. They're actually everywhere. And number 9, I eat fruits with salt. Yes, everything. It can be banana, apple, pineapple, oranges, grapes, whatever. I eat it with salt, and I know it's bad. It's very unhealthy, but I just can't help myself. That's just the way it is. But recently I'm starting to, you know, limit it a little bit, but it's just hard for me to stop. And number 10, I am a night person. I get so much energy when it's evening. I get things done. I clean the house. I watch movies. I do a lot of things when it is evening because I get so much energy. But in the morning when I wake up, I'm like a walking dead. I just wake up, drink my coffee, and then go to work and wait for the time to be done and come home. And no energy at all. But when it starts to be around 6 in the evening, then I get so much energy. It's weird, but that's the way it is. And thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing to my channel.